We are in Ihuriro village, Karengesor, Kibungo sector, Goma district in the eastern of Rwanda. It is Thursday, 11th October 2018. Your television Peace TV is on the University Kibungo's place where there is graduation ceremony for students who finish their university studies. Among those students, there are 6 student Burundian refugees who are in charge of Maison Shalom. One among them has received the prize of 70,000 Rwandan francs because he did well. Mr. Gofredi, one among those graduated students and who received the prize, expressed his happiness and gave thanks to Maison Shalom.
C'est une étape vraiment qui m'enchante beaucoup.
It's a great step for me. Surely, I would like to thank Maison Shalom for having helped us to further our university studies. In addition for that, I would like to encourage Maison Shalom to continue that great activity to help refugees, because in Mahama we have our little brothers and sisters who want to study, but they didn't get the opportunity to go to university. As Maison Shalom has made its effort to get the school fees for us, if possible, I would like to call upon him to help them.
Il y a nos petits frères qui ont besoin de continuer les études universitaires.
Ejen Mukangiro, one lecturer of the university, support those students because according to her, they are smart and sociable.
Ces étudiants s'intègrent facilement.
These students integrate easily. As they are smart and work hard, other students approach them in order to support them academically.
Pour qu'ils leur donnent l'appui académique.
Nizigimana Julien, in the charge of university studies at Maison Shalom, tell us when the program begins and how many students are assisted.
Le projet a commencé à...
The project starts in the academic year 2016 and 2017. We started with some students supported by Maison Shalom, but now there are 385 students. Those students are spread in many universities here in Rwanda, and there are a decade who study in Institut Marc Perron in France.
Marc Perron de France.
Julien Nizigimana reminds that there was many students at the beginning, but now they didn't do new instruction. The condition of selection for those students are clear. He confirmed that students work hard and they obtain good marks, which make Maison Shalom proud of them because they deserve it.
À partir de l'année passée, nous n'avons pas...
From last year, we didn't recruit other students. We are waiting for the decrease of the effective of students because we don't have sufficient means to recruit others. The criteria for the students is to have a diploma data which give access to universities. Another criteria for those who were studying in university before, we ask documents that attest it, and they have to be Burundian refugees who live here in Rwanda. The first appreciation is that they succeed with the remarkable marks. The first appreciation is that they succeed with the remarkable marks wherever they studied, even if there is a transition from French system to English system. We are really proud of their marks.
Anglophone. Vraiment, nous sommes très satisfaits de leurs notes.
After graduation, those 6 students, Burundian refugees, continued at home their celebration. 33 students who are Burundian refugees whose school fees are paid by Maison Shalom. From Goma, Kibungo, Henrietta Kimana, Peace TV.